Welcome back to my channel. For today, it's a special episode. I'm going to cook goat curry. So, to start off, thanks for my husband. He's my videographer today. Thanks, thank you.
No dramas.
Alright, for my ingredients, let's talk about my ingredients. First, this is our main ingredient for today. The goat, onion, pepper, salt, garlic, star anise. I have two kinds of chilies. I have the green chili and still I don't know what sort of chili. It's ginger,
Yuck. Carry on.
coriander, and of course I want to be authentic, but I don't have anything available, so I am curry powder. Did I say olive oil? Now, enough of the ingredients. Let's start cooking. Yay!
Yeah, that'll be good.
Alright. So I put this olive oil, tiny bit. Can you please come here and have a
Okay,
look?
you've really.
Yeah,
okay.
it's
She has preheated
I
it,
have
so that's
preheated
good,
it.
because you want to fry the meat a little bit first, I believe. But I could be wrong.
No, the meat has been marinated for an hour
Okay.
with soy sauce, vinegar,
So we're not
salt,
frying the
and
meat.
pepper. I'm not frying the meat.
Okay, forget whatever I just said. Listen to the woman there.
Okay, you have to come here.
Yeah, you can see it cooking. All right, boom. Hang on, let me just close this window for such and such purposes. Okay,
It's a bit windy today.
now
Now,
I am viewing the frying pan. Ooh,
see? Putting in the garlic.
do I have to see your face and that at the same time?
No, you have to concentrate on my cooking. And now the onion.
Okay, speed it
And
up.
I'm going to put the ginger. Can you smell
Well, of course they can't smell it. Who are you talking to?
you? I'm talking to you. I'm going to put the pepper, and salt. Now let's put in the chili. Now we are going to put a little bit of the star anise.
It said
So-
the thing said to put star anise in.
And now that it's been combined, I'm going to put the
Are you just
Go.
going to put it all in one go?
yeah, I'm putting it in one go.
Wow,
Yes,
that doesn't seem right, but what would I know?
I'm the one cooking.
No.
You- See, I forgot the tomato.
Whoopsie, here come the tomatoes. Boom. Mmm.
Can smell.
I can't smell the curry powder yet. That's the most important.
And now I'm going to put the curry powder.
Amazing.
No, I will go easy with the curry powder. We have a lot of chilies already in this curry.
Did you buy some?
Yes, I did.
Okay. That's it? Chuck the whole can.
What? There's none.
That's
Okay.
not enough to start a factory.
Oh. So, I need more.
Okay.
Okay.
Who comes to the table with 1 teaspoon of curry powder?
I'm still practicing, you know, why I'm cooking. This is for my improvement in the kitchen.
Watch the use of the knife. Danger, danger.
Picking on me. And my pin is just right here. So, you clean as you go.
Alright.
Okay, will that be enough? One.
I don't know, you're telling the story. Yeah, more like for colour, yeah?
Okay, 2.
Okay.
So that's 2.
So we'll do a bit of milk and a little bit of
Put a
that
little bit
yogurt.
of milk. So, no, I will put the whole yogurt.
I hope it doesn't go sweet.
I'm sure it won't.
Just spoon.
2 spoons. Oh, we have another cook here.
Yes, there's the other champion chef. No, throw the milk in, boom, let's get it.
Boom.
Little bit milk.
Little bit of milk.
Is enough.
Okay. So,
What kind
Now-
of food is
this is goat curry. For someone special that's no longer with us, but part of her still with us. And that's my husband. He's my videographer right now.
That'd be me.
And the editor's not here.
There's
He's
something that's
in
still part of
school.
us in the family. Got big
Yeah.
belly. Both of us had big bellies.
one? Done to
And
Yeah, because
probably
we
have a big
are
belly after eating this too.
eating good
Go.
food. Okay, so
Alright, so she's about to put the lid on, then I
I'm
can
gonna
hang
put
up.
the lid. I'm going to put the lid now,
And then-
and I'm going to slow cook it for an hour.
An hour. And by the way, this is what they call a country kitchen. No, this is from my mum
Yeah. No, I think this is your brother's.
too. Okay, this is from my brother, but everyone had one.
Where's your one?
Didn't I have one?
No.
We threw Mark's one away.
Did you?
It was all yucky looking.
Oh, yeah.
This is
So it's
Mum's
called
one.
country kitchen.
Yeah, very heavy cast iron electric skillet.
Now while it's still cooking for an hour, slow cook, I'm going to cook some rice, basmati rice.
Okay, but we all know know how to cook rice, so we'll leave it
For
at
the
that.
benefit of the people who doesn't really know how to
Finish
cook
with that,
rice,
thank you.
one cup of rice is 1 cup of water. Simple as that. But
That's with what colour rice?
white rice, you have to have extra cup, like 1 cup of brown rice, 2 cups of water.
2 to 1, righto.
Yeah, okay.
Okay then, so let's wrap this up.
Wrap that up.
Bye.
Bye. Now it's been 1.5 hours since I put my goat curry in my country kitchen. So I'm trying it now, if it's tender, and I just put this coriander. My husband doesn't like it, so it's optional.
Needs to be more tender.
It's already tender, but
Needs more tender.
more tendering. Is that the right term?
That's correct. Okay, how long?
Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next vlog.
Alright.
I'll enjoy my curry.
See you then.
Shout out to Tableland Top Meats.